In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit funds into your Robinhood account. During the sign up process, it'll have you connect one of your accounts like a bank account or a credit card. If you somehow miss that step, you can go to your icon on the bottom right corner, tap on the three lines on the top left corner, and then tap on transfers. This will bring you to a transfer screen where you can scroll down. You'll see linked accounts and you can just add an account there. Going back to the home screen, under this main chart here, you'll see buying power. This is like your cash funds that you can use to buy stocks or do anything in the app. So you want to tap on buying power. And then on the bottom, you'll want to tap deposit funds. From here, you can type in the amount that you want to add and then just tap continue. This will show your order details and then just tap the deposit button at the bottom. Once you've done that, the money will appear here under the chart in your buying power. If it doesn't appear immediately, it might take a few days to arrive and settle. If you want to cash out and withdraw all of your money from Robinhood, check out my other video. Hope you guys enjoyed this, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.